Hello everyone, my name is Kijing Kaligunan and we're going to talk about something that affects every single one of us. And even if we don't think about it every day, let's start with the first slide. Okay, alright, so here's what we'll cover for today. First, we'll define what information privacy actually means because it's more than just keeping secrets online. Then, we'll look at how companies collect and use our data, share some real stories of privacy risks with Sin, dive into the and dive into the Philippine law that protects us, and talk about what happened in one of the biggest data breaches our country has ever faced. We wrap up with practical tips you can use right away. So, sounds good? Let's start. First, start with what is information privacy. Basahan sa nako. Information privacy is your right to decide what personal details you share, who you share with them, and how they're used, even online. So, think of it, think of it like this. Just because you might tell a friend something personal doesn't mean that they can go share it with everyone you know. Information privacy makes sure that you're in control on your own data. Mura siya kuan, data has its own mind. It's almost has its own mind. It caps itself, gets stored in multiple places, travel across the internet without us even knowing. So kapag protektaan na takes real work jud. Some people mag-ingon sila nga kuan. Well, I post everything, almost everything in Twitter. So ano kinahanglan na ako kuan privacy. That's the great point. The difference is choice and control. You might choose to share your weekend plans publicly, but that doesn't mean companies should able to use your location, data, or contact info without asking you first. So now let's talk about how data is collected. Companies actually get our information. Kaya na, tanan-tanan nga kaya gina-enter nato. Almost every website we use. Example, Yahoo, Google, Facebook. They collect things like your device type, our IP address, which can actually track where we are in the world. Something called cookies. Speaking about cookies, saan ang cookies? What cookies do? Cookies are tiny files that live in your computer. That they're supposed to help. Like when a website remembers your username mo siya nga every time nga mag-login ka, no need na nimo magbalik-balik pag-type sa imong mga personal information. Siya i-click na lang nimo, then mo kuan siya. But nasay catch, mga kuan ba, negative side. If magamit tag kuan mga press anang public computer, example sa internet cafe, tapos di ta ka log out, pwede ka na mga masunod nga kuan tao nga magamit anang exact same computer nga gigamit nimo una is pwede nila makita kanang mga personal informations nimo na stored ato na dito sa cookies. Then pwede nila ma-hack yung mga account. Ana. Now, let's talk about the real world privacy risks. So example ani is katong Facebook quiz incident in 2015. Back sa 2015, naning super popular nga quiz sa Facebook. But kailaman nang mag-ingon gid sila. What are your most used words? Ang mag-ingon sila nga who's your celebrity lookalike? May nga na good. Well, over 50 million people took one called tawag aning word cloud quiz. nga pag mag-click kag login ana, dili lang nimo gipakita ay imong kuan answer nimo sa Facebook, but you gave them access to everything in your profile. Kasi your photos, all your posts, kana mga entire friends list nimo, even kung asa ka nag-eskwela or asa ka nagtrabaho. But thankfully, after na after nabalaan sa mga tao ni, the developers fixed it, so they only ask for what they actually need. But now this shows how easy it is to share more than we mean to online. Nganong importante ang kaning information privacy. Mga other risks. Let's talk about other risks. I-include ani fake websites that mura siya gipangita lang nila ay mga password, or mga companies using your data to send you ads without permission. Gitawag ni nga phishing. Tapos dako ni nga problema. Now let's talk about the Philippine Data Privacy Act of 2012, Republic Act number 10173, or known as the Data Privacy Act of 2012. Usahan na to. It is a primary law that in the Philippines governing the protection of personal data. Now, so how does our country protect us from this In 2012, si President Aquino signed the Data Privacy Act, or we know Republic Act 10173. The same time ang gudana is our IT industry was growing fast. We're spending over 4 billion on privacy and security. And millions of us were already on Facebook. Plus, sugod-sugod na taog roll out sa mga free public Wi-Fi's across major cities. So we needed rules to make sure all digital activities was safe. Maunang, the law's main job is to make sure nga our personal data doesn't end up in the wrong hand. Now, next is kaning high profile case. High profile case, basahon sa nato. Saning Comelec hack. Isa ni sa ay maunin tong giingon nako ganiha nga isa sa pinakabagas nga incident sa data breaches na nahitabo sa Pilipinas. So what happened? Website hack, more 340 gigabytes database leak, data exposed, sa mga gi-expose sa data ato, sa mga nakuha, full names, addresses, contact info, voters, candidates, fingerprints of mga 15.8 million voters. No, explain ako. Biggest example sa world in March 16, right before the national elections, of Comelec website was hacked. May sa may say consequences ato matapos na hack ang ba. Criminal charges filed against Comelec officials. Syempre, ilaha man ang responsible man god. So once na malik na ilaha jud ng na-jud na yung mga consequences. Violations of Data Privacy Act, penalties. So ng penalties to 3 to 6 months of imprisonment, then magbayad sila og 500,000 to 4 million fine. Then katong mga government officials nga in charge ato na Comelec is na-disqualify sila. Now, let's talk about the best practices for data protection. How to protect your personal data. Ani gibutang na sabay na nako ani. Transact only with trusted sites. Transact only with trusted sites. Kung tanagod ninyo nga kuan ay alanganin man. Ay na lang ignore na lang god. Kuan for protection na god sa inyo ang kuan sariling mga data or personal information kay once lisod naman god if mahack pa ng inyong account luoy ninyo ay avoid online payments on public computers. Always log out of accounts even sa private nimo nga devices. Kani, wa ta kabalo ato ang private device bitaw. What if hiraman di ay nila din? Wa ta kabalo sa ilahang kuan motive and intentions. What if di ay paghiram nila is kuan nila gamitan nila inyong account. Mag-post sila dito og kuan di kaaya-aya. So the you kuan ikaw mag-take sa consequences of the action sa kuan. Kay muha man ang account ang gigamit nila. So ikaw jud ang mahalaot ana. Don't share credentials with unknown apps. Kani. Read privacy policies before agreeing. Kana siyang kuan. Kani siyang katong press good anang magkuan ka nagload ka og Facebook. Bagong open before ka maka-open ana, before ka makasud nga apps, na siya privacy policy. Then once maklik na nimo ang I agree, mo na tong pwede na ka magkuan. Then limit what you share. Limit what you share publicly on social media and use strong unique passwords. Ayan ang 000 nga mga password. So kana lang po. And thank you. God bless us all.